Okay. Hello everyone. Hello. Thank you for being here. Alright guys, good morning. Hello everyone, hello. Ryan, I see you. Can you hear me? Can you say yes or no? Okay, we have almost 80 people here. Okay, perfect. So hello guys, first of all, thank you for following the FIP IG page and thank you for being part of the family. On this talk, I wanna introduce you in the right way to the crypto market. So I wanna ask you, how many of you have already investment in the crypto market, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoin, or have something in their wallet? Who say I have some cryptos? Okay, so a few people have cryptocurrency already. Nice, that's cool. I have some, perfect. XRP. Okay, perfect. So a few people know and I have already crypto, right? So remember, the first thing about investing in cryptocurrency market is you want to use leverage or you don't want to use leverage, because here in crypto with no leverage, the trading that we call it spot trading on your wallet help you to minimize the risk, low risk, but you're still looking for a huge return. And when you start investing in crypto market, you gotta understand how can you measure the risk based on the market cap of the coins or altcoins or tokens, all right? Because some people, when they talk about cryptocurrency market, they only think about Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin is too high already. I missed it already. I can't invest in Bitcoin. I won't be rich investing in Bitcoin next year. So the key here is about knowing that you have already in the market 18,216 coins and counting, because every day they add new projects at the market. So how we see that is 18,000 opportunities to invest. It's just that we have to do a good research, finding the right projects and how invest in those projects in the early times. The key here is that you gotta understand that every year you can find projects that in the same year give you 10x, 100x, or even more. When I say 10x, it's 10 times your investment, 100 times your investment, which is like 1,000 or 10,000% of return on whatever you invest in that coin. Okay. Okay. So first of all, the first question that people ask me, Emile, okay, I have the money. How I put the money in the exchange? So if you live in the US, you pretty much have Coinbase, you have Gemini, you have Crypto.com, you also have Binance.us. Those four are the main exchange. Also FTX, the FTX, the one that I just bought the American Airlines sponsorship. So on those exchange, you will be able to do your KYC, which is know your customer, put your social, your name, your information, and you'll be able to deposit from your bank account to the exchange and then buy the coins that they have listed in that exchange. The issue with that is, yeah, exactly, and Binance US, it doesn't work for New York. So the issue or using those exchange is once you do everything, they already have your social, they already have your own information. So you gotta pay the taxes on whatever you made on those investments through those exchange. Another issue is that those exchange doesn't have all the coins that you wanna invest. So they have a few coins, the major coins in some way, but they don't have all the coins that you can invest. That's why I recommend people to use P2P or B2B. P2P or B2B is person to person or business to business. That is a way that you can find in the market somebody or some entity selling or buying Bitcoin, and you can be the buyer or the seller. And you just do a wire transfer, or some people receive cash, and you do an exchange from fiat to crypto, but you don't use your social or your information to do it. So P2P is really easy to use. At the end, obviously, you need to be involved with people in the market that is been selling or been buying these cryptos to be able to buy in that way. P2P, the best one is B2B, which is like two businesses working together, doing paying services or whatever, but at the end, you're really buying cryptocurrency. Okay? And then when you buy that way, you can receive the Bitcoin in your cold wallet. It could be Trust Wallet, MetaMask, it could be a Trezor, and then you can send the money to the exchange that you want to buy the coin. For example, Binance, KuCoin. I also recommend to everyone open a KuCoin account. KuCoin, it doesn't require KYC. You just open your account. Let me show you the website. This is KuCoin. It's a cool coin. In that exchange, you don't need KYC. You can be a USC citizen, and literally you can just use the platform to trade. The cool thing about KuCoin, also like Binance, they have a lot of gems. Remember, gems are those coin tokens that you can invest a little money and make a lot of money in the meantime. Like I say, not all the exchange have all the coins, and this one are the CEX or centralized exchange, the one that you gotta start first, and then you have the decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap, Uniswap. You also have Radium for Solana. On those debts, definitely you don't need KYC. You only need your Web 3.0, which is your MetaMask or your Phantom wallet if you're using the Solana network. So when you go to those debts, that's the place to find a lot of gems as well. But the only difference is that when you invest in PancakeSwap or Uniswap or a Radium for Solana, the risk is higher, because when you invest in a decentralized exchange, there is no regulations. So literally anyone could be able to list any token, either a scam or not scam, on those exchange, and people will buy. So if you buy a scam coin or scam token or meme token in those exchange and you lose your money, there is nobody that you can you can reach out to see what happened with your money or waste your money or what happened. There's no way, because literally it's a debt, the centralized exchange, no regulation. The good part about these debts is literally you don't need KYC, and if you do a good research, you'll be able to find good tokens to invest before they get listed on KuCoin, Coinbase, Gemini, or Binance. Because when you invest in early time, and those tokens that you invest maybe on PancakeSwap or Uniswap, when they get listed on this big exchange, usually they do a good push to like sometimes like 10x from the price that were listed on the previous exchange. Okay, so I also recommend everyone to get a Trust Wallet, which is, let me show you right now. Boom. This is the Trust wallet. You can either open your wallet. Remember, when you open these wallets like Trust wallet or the MetaMask, let me show you MetaMask right now on the computer. When you open these ones, this is a wallet. It's my MetaMask wallet right now. When you open those, you gotta remember, the only person that should have the access to that wallet is you. When you create the wallet, the system gives you a 12 words password. Literally, it's 12 random words that you have to save. They call that the private key. The private key is the way that you can get access to the wallet in any device. So you gotta make sure that private key only belongs to you, because if you share that wallet, if you share that private key, or you put it on some places, even some people do scam links where they go like, oh, you gotta verify your MetaMask account, so please put your private key here to verify your account, something like that. They literally hacking you. I mean, you give the access to your wallet, they can open your wallet in any country, get the funds, and then your money is gone. So you gotta be careful, because here, like I say, when you're dealing with the Trust wallet or MetaMask, there is nobody that you can call as a support or whatever to say, somebody took my money, somebody got it to my account, what can I do? Can you cancel the transaction? That doesn't exist in the blockchain. Once you send money from A to B on the blockchain, from one wallet to another wallet, there's no way you can take that back. It's not like the bank. Oh, somebody used my credit card. Can you charge back the money? It was a scam. It wasn't me, or whatever. And they do it. But here, that doesn't exist. So you gotta be careful when you put your money in the wallet, and where you open your wallet, and who have access to your wallet. That's a key, a major key. With somebody, maybe you have $100. Doesn't matter for you. But when you have millions or you have thousands, if you lose the money because you share your private key and you give it to somebody else, that's painful. Okay? So, Emile, how we make money on cryptocurrency market? So I'm going to share with you my my story some way. When I started on 2017, it was maybe the perfect year to start from zero. But then in the future, I realized that every time is a good time to start. The key here is just start investing. My first big investment was on 2017 when I put 3K in an ICO, which is an initial coin offering. Is investing in a coin or token before it get listed on the exchange, kind of in a private sale phase. So those 3K in 3 months turning 100K. That was on September 2017 to December same year, from 3K to 100K. That allows me to take the whole profit, diversify a little bit more, open my big Forex account, and then start my whole journey here in Miami, and just be going on for me. Now, in the past years and a half, I've been creating this crypto report and all these programs in Spanish. That's why I'm doing this for the first time in English, about where I've been putting my money with no leverage, just literally buy like 1-to-1 leverage. So if I buy, when I say 1-to-1 is, if I buy 1 Bitcoin right now, I have 1 Bitcoin worth almost 40K. If tomorrow Bitcoin drops to $1, I still have the 1 Bitcoin. The very next day go to 100K, and then I have my profit, and I never take that loss because there is no leverage, so I can hold that coin till I want it. So what I've been doing is that I've been diversifying in different projects, different altcoins, and the key here, the key word about my profits, which literally I can tell you right now, I invest 10K on Chili's at 0.008, and that one gets all the way to 90 cents. That was 10K to 1.2 mil in 1 year and a half, without literally doing nothing, just investing and be patient. Another one that I invest and give me a huge profit, Theta. I bought it at 9 cents and went all the way to $17. That was also a five almost 10K investment to almost a mil. Rune or Thor. I got it at 10 cents, and then all the way to $20. That's 200 times your money. Those 10K to 2 mil. PancakeSwap, I bought it at 25 cents, all the way to $44 on the all-time high. So my point here is, when you do a good research and you patient and you have a nice entry price, you can flip money fast and in a huge way. Imagine investing 1K and then 1 year later you have 100K. Imagine investing 10K and then you have your first million year and a half after just holding the coin. And people ask me, okay, Emile, how you find those coins? First of all, I use a lot this website. It's CoinMarketCap. I know everyone know it, because here you have the whole market. So those gems or those opportunities to flip the money are here. You just gotta try to find them. And when I go there, here you can just see the price. Oh, that coin is too low. It's 0.000000001. Imagine if you get to $1. That's dreaming. You gotta see. The first thing that I see when I invest in a project is the utility. Is that token or project or coin, it's going to have a future? You have a white paper. They're doing some innovation on the market. What are they doing different than the other projects that can make this coin go higher? Or what are they doing that I can compare with other projects doing the same? And if this project doing the same are already big projects, why this small project can be the same? For example, the metaverse. In the metaverse, I don't now everyone know about sandbots, but when I buy sandbots at 2 cents for the first time on Binance, nobody was talking about the metaverse. Nobody was talking about the NFTs and everything on the metaverse or Web.3. So you gotta understand, when you find something new and you have that good research and you understand that where everything is moving forward, that's when you invest in those early coins. For example, Sandbox, it was a coin that I got at 2 cents a year, maybe two years ago. And at that moment I told people, hey yo, I'm investing in this coin about the metaverse, and this is what the metaverse is. It's going to be huge. This coin maybe can go to $5 or even $8. People will call me crazy, because from 2 cents to $8 is 400 times your money. And what happened? We even passed $8. We get to like $8.25 for Sandbox. And that was another coin that made me from 10, 12, 15K that I invest in those early times to millions. And that's why I have 8 figure, because I be patient on those coins that I invest in the early times to see the big growth. Another mistake here in cryptocurrency for people is that when they invest in cryptocurrency, they diversify, they go do research, and they go for a good altcoin. They invest at $1, and once the coin get to $2, they take the whole profit. Oh yeah, perfect. I put 1K, now I have 2K. Let me take everything out. And then a month later, 6 months later, the same coin that you take profit out at $2 is $100. And people is like, oh, I couldn't be a millionaire. I couldn't be my first 100K and let it go. That's why I want to share with you one of my strategies, which is take partial of your profit. When you buy coins and you see the long-term perspective, and you see the long-term view about how big it could be this project, just take 20% or 25% of the profit and go for at least 5 times your money, which is 500%. Take 25% of the profit. It keeps going higher, wait for another 5 years and take another 25%. You will literally taking a partial of the profit, and your money will keep growing. And if any pullback happen, like right now, you took profit and you will be able to buy lower again. That's how you flip and you build, taking chance of this. Because like I say, people say, oh yes, I bought Bitcoin 8K years ago, and then I sold everything on 13K and I never buy again. So you miss the opportunity. If you keep doing the same, you just be able to move like, from 1K to 2K, from 2K to 6K in a year. But if you patient and you see that vision, you will be able to do the same that I did. 10K to millions, 1K to 100K to 200K, even more. So that's something that I've been building how be able to invest, flip, take profit, but don't lose the major move when they happen. Because people get into the FOMO, fear of missing out. People go there and then they buy a coin, they flip 2 times the money, and they don't do anything, and they will be buy again when they see the coin skyrocket and the all-time high, and they will like, oh fuck, I'm losing this coin, let me buy it, and they buy at the top, and then the pullback starts, and then they sell because the thing is it will keep dropping, and when they sell, the market start going up again. So you're doing the opposite that you have to do. You start buying higher and selling low, and that's the psychology part of the market. It will play with you if you don't have a good trading plan, if you don't have a nice exit strategy. And for me, having the money in the crypto markets, it's key for my lifestyle, because also now you have the DeFi, staking, the liquidity pools, and you can create exactly about the pizza. So with these protocols, you literally have the chance to create a passive income profit. For example, with PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is a project which is called a DeFi protocol. DeFi is a concept that came to the crypto market on 2020 for the first time, or the first time that I introduced myself to that concept with PancakeSwap. And a DeFi is a decentralized financial system. So what they do, they have the PancakeSwap exchange where people is doing trading. They're doing trading on the Binance Smart Chain. They're switching tokens from one token to another token. They buy it and selling. They also have liquidity pools. They have a lot of activity in the exchange. So obviously every exchange, even in the Forex market or any market, as a change, you take fees. You take a certain fee of every transaction. So in a DeFi, the whole profit of the platform, they take a percent of the profit to share the percent with the profit with the holders of the token. If you go to right now to PancakeSwap, and let me show you really quick. Okay, if you go right now to PancakeSwap, for example, it's a website, PancakeSwap Finance. Okay. If you hit you see earn, you have these pools, and you have pools where literally you can make a APY, which is annual percent yield return of your investment, just for holding and be part of the project, be a PancakeSwap holder. It's slow right now. Okay. But here you'll be able to see the percent of the money you can earn. And literally right now it's about 60%, even 58, 70% of your investment. Let me see, I can get it here. PancakeSwap. Go here real quick. Okay, here you can see 60% APY. Some people in the US invest money and they barely expect to get in 1 year maybe 12, 18, 20% of your return if your investment is good, about maybe talking about real estate or another project. But if you have your money in Bank of America or any bank, they don't give you nothing, and some like hedge funds or whatever, they give you like 3%, 2% of your investment in the whole year, and on those investments you every time have a risk. Here you also have a risk, but look, you have in this massive APY, doing nothing, just investing your money, connecting to your MetaMask, put it in the platform, and then be part of the project. Look at this, there is 31 millions cake staked. The cake right now is at $6. So this is like over 100 and something millions staked in something that literally is just new. It's something new, and then it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger because people realize with the crypto market and the DeFi, you have the control of your finance. you have more freedom, and you have the return that you deserve, because this is what you deserve. And this is something that I want to share with you. What's the difference between a CFI and a DeFi? A CFI is a centralized financial system. Bank of America, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, any bank that we know, they make money with our money. If you go to the bank and you deposit 10 mil, they will take the 10 mil, they will do loans, they will do investment in the market, they will do anything with your money to make more money. And even taking the risk on lose the money. But they don't give you a piece of the cake of the profit that they make with your money. For example, if you have 10 million Bank of America, they don't go every year and say, okay, let's see the numbers. Oh, nice, Bank of America made 10 mils on profit this year. You're only on fees and loans and everything. So you, Mr. Emile Machado, you have with us this much money, which is represent this percent of the whole money in the bank. So we think you should get a percent of the profit based on whatever you have with us. So take your money. That doesn't happen. They just make money with you and with your money and keep the money. Here on the DeFi protocols and all these protocols, we create the volume. We are really the owners of the platform, and we trust in the blockchain that they build, which at the end is a smart contract that nobody can change. There is no way that somebody changes the smart contract. They also have a DAO system, which is a decentralized anonymous association, or DAO, where we can be able to vote with our holding tokens as a weight, like how big is your vote in the platform. It depends how many tokens you hold, and we literally can be able to decide what or what is the north or the next step for the project. So we own the project at the end some way. Actually, on PancakeSwap, nobody knows who are the faces or the creators, but the end, a big community take advantage of the project that they build, and that's what a DeFi is. And like PancakeSwap, you have on Solana, you have on Avalanche, you have on Terra Luna, you have in different networks. So that's why I tell people, like, what are you doing with your money in the bank? What are you doing with your money? Doing nothing. You gotta invest your money, you gotta flip that money. So on the DeFi, of course, you invest in a token like PancakeSwap that have fluctuation. It goes up, it goes down, like everything. But if the key here is like every month, every day, or every week, you will have more tokens, because that's the percent of you getting every day. Because the APY is a yearly calculation, but they give you the profit every single day. So literally every day you can sell the extra coins, move it to another coin, diversify, or even put it on USDT, and you have the profit secure some way. So that's the powerful understand how Web 3.0, how the DeFi protocols, how the staking is, how find the good projects can help you to make a lot of money in the crypto market. And here, literally, you can start with 100 bucks, 200 bucks, maybe less, and little by little you'll be building those profits. Imagine putting 100 bucks, everything that you have, and a year later you keep with your life, you keep in your 9 to 5 and doing everything that you do, and then a year later those $100 turns to 2K. Now you have more money, you have a little bigger liquidity, and then with the same that you did with 100, you do it with the 10K, and then you just jump to 100K. And that's how you flip your money, and that's how the rich crypto kids, some people call us, burn. Just be patient, investing, and know what to do with the profits, which at the end the best to do is just reinvest. Okay? There is a lot of concept here that we have to know about staking, about smart contracts, about DeFi, about token, about coin. But I just want to show you the realistic part of be able to invest in the crypto market. You also have the NFT. The NFT is a new whole market. It's a new way to flip money. Let me show you here real quick. Go to Binance. Do you teach in English? So I mean, this is the first time actually that I've been doing this live. Years ago, I did had a few courses in person here in Miami in English, actually, about cryptocurrencies. I'm thinking about to open my crypto academy in English, because I already have it in Spanish, of course. But I mean, a lot of people want to know about this in English, right? So let me go to Binance real quick to show you. Binance.com. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Let's save this. Está lento. Okay. Let's wait to the Binance website opens. Okay, let me close this. Go to Binance. Okay. So, till we wait for Binance, I want to just show you my wallet. Some people ask me, okay, Emile, in what tokens do I have to invest right now? So the first thing you gotta first of all understand what you have to see in a good project to invest. You gotta see green flags and red flag, and then see if you have more greens or more red. For example, the team behind the project, the utility of the token, the network that they're using. You gotta see the partnerships. Sometimes we see small projects and they have huge partnership with Samsung, with Microsoft, with any banks, with big projects are in the crypto market. So you gotta see also the partnership. You gotta see the website. You have to read the white paper. Every project must have a white paper, which is the documentation of the whole project. You gotta see are they already in a sets or debts? I mean, are they listed on KuCoin, Binance, Coinbase, or they only listed on PancakeSwap or Uniswap? They already have a wallet? They already have something in the project that you can use? Okay, some protocols that have already the staking protocols. They have apps coming out. So you gotta see all the points to see if that is a good investment or no. You also have to see the community. The crypto projects, they don't use Instagram. They use more Telegram, Reddit, Medium. They use Discord. So you gotta see how big are the community behind the projects as well. So there is a lot of points of view to have in consideration before you invest in a coin. But the most important one is the utility, innovation, and if they do something different than the other projects. Okay? So for example, if I show you, okay, so Emile, who are you? How do I know you have money in the crypto market? So you can see here. And this is this is not my biggest wallet actually. Okay? I just show you this because I like to, show my real results, what I have, what I've been doing. Yeah, so here is the whole thing that I have in this account. If you go to the fiat spot, you can see the coins that I have and what I have it. Okay. I have some tokens on PancakeSwap. I have token like this one doing staking. I have, like, for example, High Street doing staking as well. And this is one of my favorite projects right now, talking about Metaverse. High Street is a project that you can find in Binance. Okay. People ask me about, okay, Emile, should I invest in Sandbox right now, even when it's that big already? And I'm like, Sandbox is good for the long term. It's a big project that we have billions in the market cap. For sure, in the long term, it will just keep going up. But now, if you want to find the new Sandbox, believe me, High Street is the one. They get listed on Binance like 2 months ago. It's a brand new project. They have a partnership with HCC, people like Dolce & Gabbana, Binance, Avalanche, Animoca Brands, which is the biggest or one of the biggest hedge funds on cryptos, about gaming, NFT, and everything. It's a solid project, and they have the same concept of similar the concept about sandbox, but they bring in something new to the market, which is the initial home offering. You will be able to invest and buy your real estate, but in the metaverse, and everything is moving to the metaverse. Sometimes when you talk about the metaverse, sounds like crazy, but that's where everything is going right now. That's one of the maybe the gems that I can share with you. And at this point, get history. You can buy on PancakeSwap, you can buy on Binance, even Uniswap, and right now it's at like $3, I think, 3 or 4. Let me see. And remember, you gotta invest, measure your own risk. You gotta know your budget, and always invest the money that you will open to lose. Because if you don't invest that money, if you go invest everything that you have, and you invest your life savings and everything, the psychology part will kill you. And more on this time with the war, with everything that's happening, all the markets are dropping. So the price action in the good projects, even in the stock market, in the good companies, is just going down. In the short term, we don't know how long it will be this war and this thing happening right now. Everything's going crazy, so the market, of course, is going to go down. But when you invest in cryptocurrency market, you can be the person who only invests for the price. Oh, I put the money in that coin because it's too cheap. You have 10 zeros. You can see the price. You gotta see the supply, and you gotta see the market cap relation first. And then people go, oh, I've been in this token, it's been 2 months, it's been going down, or it didn't move. Right now, the whole market is going down. Right now, the projects, or how you have to see the projects, is about the utility, the roadmap, and everything that they're building. Because then, when this happens, and you invest in those tokens in these moments when everything is dropping, and you patient and you hold, that's when the 10x, 100x, 150x will happen. Okay, that's something you gotta keep in mind. So history is one of the ones that I can share with you about the metaverse. So here you can see a list of maybe a few lists, the token that I have real quick. I have more, of course, and here you see 1.6, and you will ask, okay, Emile, where is the rest? The rest of the money is in the Binance Air platform, which give me passive income. So imagine I have 1.something millions doing passive income from profits. So there is no way that I, even when the market is dropping right now, I'm not making money, and every day I'm making money because I have passive income stock investments as well. For example, if we go to Solana, we have Redium. It's like the PancakeSwap of the Solana network, and you have an APR of 18%, which is so good because you don't get that in any market, and you have rewards that you can literally take every day if you want. The more that you have taken, the more you create, and the more that you help the project as well, because you become a holder, you become a shareholder of the project some way, in a decentralized and Web 3.0 way. Okay, so you gotta first, before you invest, you gotta learn, you gotta see what you're doing. Okay, so yeah, so far that's what I wanna bring to you to the table. Is a maybe a quick live. It's been almost 40 minutes, but there is a lot of to talk. Literally, I know there is a lack maybe of information about good strategies in the English market, because I see so many YouTubers, I see so many people that just talk, and do a bunch of videos. But like, when you want to invest your money, you want to have strategies. You want to know, okay, maybe if I'm doing this and this happens, what I have to do. If I'm doing this and the other thing happens, what I have to do. You have to have a trading plan. And that's what I've been doing with crypto, and that's maybe what I have my 8 figures. I mean, I passed 12 million last year, and just keep building and understanding where we're going. I mean, for me, crypto changed my life. This Forex give me the money to be able to invest in those early time cryptos, and then cryptos just do. I mean, maybe most of you know my story, but you've been seeing my growth with this. Okay, so I want to ask you, do you have any question? I'm open here to see your question, to help you out. Let's say 5-10 minutes of Q&A, and we end this the first. I will do more. The next one will be more to the point. For example, next one, let's talk about straight to DeFi. The next one, let's talk about staking. The next one, let's talk about entry price and selling price. Okay, this is just like a first open live of crypto talk to see a little bit of everything that you can do, and then in the future we see a more more of this. When you start your English lessons, I don't know yet, but I will do it. I don't know yet, but I will do it. I'm planning to do first the online course where you just, you buy your membership and you see all the material, and then maybe in the future I launch either an in-person course or online course in English, of course. Okay. Perfect. How can we the membership? I will let you know about all the information. All the information about the English mentorship, I will put it also here in the FIP IG page. So make sure you follow the Foreverinprofitofficial page, because all the information I will put it here for you guys. I'm ready for the English course for sure. Very useful information. How can I learn more? Also, let me share with you this. If you go to YouTube real quick, on my YouTube channel, and people know this, they don't know this, but I have it. If you go to Emile, let me show you Trader Effects. Okay. If you go to my channel, Emiletrader Effects. If you go to list, you have the one called Crypto for Life. If you go to Crypto for Life, you have a free almost 2 hours video in English here. Where is it? Let me find it. Oh, here. Number 17. Crypto webinar in English. It was made like 2 years ago, a year and a half ago. So when you see that video, it's almost 2 hours. You may be going to cry because the prices that you see on the coin that I told in that video, they're like 100x, 150x, 10, 20, 80x. So you may be going to cry but you're going to learn about that. That's a free video. I mean, I don't have to charge you to see content that you can. I like people to learn first, to see how I explain, how I share with you my strategies. And then if you like it, when I launch whatever I'm going to launch about membership and all that, after you can buy it, okay? But go to the video, it's a Emiletrader Effects, Crypto for Life list, the number 17. It's a whole 2 hours free webinar in English, and I made it for you. Maybe at the point my English it wasn't that good. I still have to work in my English, but I know you will understand everything that I say in that video, all right? Thank you. What tokens are you holding? So that's interesting. I just launched a month ago my crypto report number 5. My crypto report pretty much is a mirror of all the token that I have, entry price, sell price, why I buy the token, and the token that I'm looking for to add to my portfolio. It's a whole list. I can tell you I have like over 100 tokens on my portfolio right now. Each one have a utility, staking, DeFi, a reason why you invest in those tokens. If you want to see the whole report, I have it already in English as well. So just send me a DM and I will send you the information that you can buy that report. It's like 100 pages where you have literally all my portfolio explained on details. Okay. Top 3 crypto projects. Binance for me. Binance is one of those. I would say put on the side Ethereum, Bitcoin, all those. I would say Binance, and then going really like for new projects, I would say High Street, and also I would say Share Token because the utility that they have and what they're building. Okay, but Binance, BNB coin for me is the coin that is going to even pass Ethereum. You have passive income, you have their own change, you have everything. So BNB is one of the tokens that you want to hold forever. Okay. Really, Mayo, thank you, brother. Master, thanks. Please, yeah, we will put the live on the live here. Okay. Thank you. I don't speak Spanish. Damn it. Don't worry, brother. I will have the course ready in English soon. I promise. I mean, I had to do it because I know a lot of you don't want to get this knowledge. Okay. Thank you for joining. Thank you. What forex pair do you trade on your trade pairs? Talking about forex, I right now trading AU and U-Steady. U-Steady, I have the trade that I use, so simple that I never stop doing it because it's so powerful. I mean, and the profit is so good. So my first one is U-Steady, and then maybe AU, sometimes gold. But I don't like to trade more than the two pairs on the forex market. We will meet soon, for sure, brother. Peace, peeps. I'm going back to trading. This is nonsense. Correct. You are over the place. Chill, bro. Okay, perfect. Gotcha. To buy coin, do you use Binance US? I don't use Binance US. You can use it, but I would recommend, if you want to use a change like that, go straight with Gemini, go straight with Coinbase, or even Crypto.com. But the best way to do it for me is P2P or B2B, how I explained at the beginning of the live. Okay. So well, thank you everyone for joining the first crypto talk on the FIP page. Remember, my main language is Spanish. That's why if I say anything wrong or my English is not that good, I'm sorry for that. I'm doing my best for you guys, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much what it is. We're going to record the video. We're going to put it in the IG live section, and then okay, please say the live. We will do it. We'll do it. So thank you so much for everyone. I hope that like I say, I mean, talking about cryptocurrency is a lot of information. It's a lot of detail to go. This is just like a small piece of what you can expect or what you can start doing. Go to my YouTube video or 2 hours of the Crypto English webinar. Go to CoinMarketCap. Open your KuCoin account. Start doing PancakeSwap, Radium, and the network research. Start doing the price that I told you. High Street maybe, a short token, BNB, Solana, Radium. Start doing your own part to see where you can invest your money. Okay. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Thank you. I'm doing my best. I don't go to the school. When I just go out, try to talk people in English and keep practice my English every time. So I'm doing my best on that. Okay. All right, guys. It's a BNB coin. Yes, BNB coin is the Binance coin. It's something that you don't wanna. Actually, I'll tell you that right now. BNB is the top one on my portfolio. It's the most money that I have right now on BNB. I've been buying the coin when it was $1, $2, $5, $10, $15. Right now it's like 300, all time high 700, and still holding. Keep accumulating more because for me BNB is going to reach 1K, 150K, and even 5K in the next maybe 5 years. Okay, so BNB is a coin that you want to hold. It gives you passive income. It have a supply that will be lower because they burn tokens. So BNB is one coin definitely for the long-term play. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye. Have a nice day and see you soon. Just follow me, text me, and any question you have, you can just go straight to my DM. Remember, Emiletrader, the one with the blue check. That's me. Peace.